Let's take another simple example. On this workbook, there are 4 sheets for 4 different products: gears, brakes, lights, and horns. On each sheet, sales details for each part are mentioned. Sheet named gears will have sales details for gears. Sheet named brakes will have sales details for brakes, and so on. I want to have a macro to toggle easily between any sheets I want. For example, if I'm on sheet named gears, which is the first sheet on the workbook, and I wish to directly jump to sheet named horns, which is the last sheet on the workbook, I should be able to do it in an instance without using the mouse. Using the mouse slows you down. Learning Excel shortkeys will save you a lot of time. Unfortunately, there is no default shotkey for this, and that's why we have decided to record a macro. The concept is very simple. We will start the macro recording process, activate the sheet which we want, and then stop the recording process. As simple as that. Let's go ahead and see how to do it. Firstly, let's record a macro for activating the sheet named gears. Before starting the macro recording process, let us activate any other sheet other than the gears sheet. This is very important to have any other sheet activated before starting the recording process. Click on the Record Macro button. Name the macro Gears. Shotkey Ctrl-Shift-G. G for gears, so that we can easily remember it later on. Store it in this workbook and click OK. Now that the macro is recording, all you have to do is activate the sheet named gears and then stop the recording process. Now whenever Ctrl-Shift-G is pressed, Excel will activate the sheet named gears. Let's repeat the same steps for the remaining 3 sheets. You should always try to keep the macro shotkey as the first letter of the sheet name, so we can easily recall it later on. Now let's try it out. I'm very sure this little trick will save you loads of time. Keep practicing.